Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Doctors will never tell you this. How to cure your thyroid gland with just one ingredient. In today's video, I will tell you how to cure and recover your thyroid gland with just one powerful ingredient. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of the neck. This gland plays an important role in many different metabolic processes and functions in the human body. This gland secretes thyroxine, a hormone involved in regulating metabolism, heart rate, and growth and development in children. It's located between the top of your throat, the Adam's apple region in men, and the top of your breastbone. In fact, the thyroid is in the small space in between. There are two types of thyroid gland disorder: hyperthyroidism, which usually occurs when the thyroid is overactive and it produces too much hormones. These are the most common symptoms of hyperthyroidism: difficulty focusing on one task, forgetfulness, changes in eating habits, elevated heart rate and palpitations, menstrual problems, fatigue, feeling hot, sweating, sleeping difficulties, racing thoughts, depression, anxiety or irritability, weight loss, etc. Hypothyroidism, which usually occurs when the thyroid gland is underactive, so it doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone. These are the most common symptoms of hypothyroidism: brittle nails, constipation, weight gain, muscle cramps, decreased menstrual flow, swelling in the front of the neck, fatigue, forgetfulness, dry skin and hair, depression. This natural remedy can regulate the function of the thyroid and maintain its activity at an optimal level. If the malfunction of this gland is caused by iodine deficiency, which is one of the main causes, this natural remedy can be of great help. Ingredients: 40 pieces of green young walnuts, 1 kg organic honey, 1 large or a couple of small glass jars. Directions: you should initially clean the walnuts, dry them and use a needle to prick them. Then place them in a jar filled with honey and leave the jar at a place exposed to sunlight. Leave it there for 40 days and then store the remedy in a glass bottle. Take 2 tablespoons in the morning and in the evening on a regular basis. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.